test. Let's go. GreenBroz got a little bit of head start. Oh, we're done over here. What's the time over here? We're all done?
2:48.
2:48. All right. Well, still chewing over here. So mostly just stemmy ones.
Yeah. Yeah, no, this strain is very stemmy, it's not dense at all.
Yeah. Done over here. What's the timer say now? 5:24, 5:23.
Hi, my name's Enrique. I'm from Ladybug Farms. Today we used the new grader machine from Mobius, and it was wonderful. We normally use the GreenBroz, but this one, the fact that it has 5 different channels for 5 different sizes of buds was amazing. Yeah, so what the real takeaway from this machine is that it has no bolts. That's the big selling point for me, because for other machines it has a lot of bolts and we lose a lot of the pieces. So the fact that this has nothing is a big selling point for me. But we ran this machine with a whole PO today and it did awesome. So I really like the machine.